Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvetlox with another awesome video for you today. Now listen, you guys, this is the weight loss season, okay? We're going to be working on getting down that belly fat. We're going to be working on slimming down, looking good, all right? And getting that weight off of you as fast as possible. Not too fast, but healthy fast, okay? So we're going to be working on getting up to 25 pounds off of you in 15 days. Now, if you do this every single day, if you make these teas every single morning, you will be slimming down in no time. So let me show you what we're working with. First of all, you're going to need a pot, okay? So we're going to be boiling our ingredients. Now, we're going to be working with 750 to 800 milliliters of water. So since we've already put the pot on, I don't want it to burn. So I'm going to pour that into our pot. And we're going to start boiling that water. Okay, we're going to get that on the go. We're going to be working with our green tea for the antioxidant benefits, the powerful benefits of green tea. We're also going to be working with a lemon or a lime. Okay, we're also going to be using our honey for sweetening. Okay, and to add a little kick to it today, we're going to boost it up a little bit. We're going to be throwing in a little cayenne pepper. Alright, so you already know we're going to be making this drink even more powerful. Now to start this off, we're going to start off with 1 teaspoon of our cumming seeds. Alright, so we're going to put that in our pot. 1 teaspoon of our cumming seed. Next, we're going to also add in 1 teaspoon of our fennel seed. Fennel has a really nice scent to it. A nice flavoring. And we're going to also add in some green tea. Now if you got green tea bags, that's good. We're going to be adding in 2 teaspoons of our green tea leaves. Alright. Alright. So while that's boiling, in the meantime we're going to slice our lemons. So we're just going to cut the ends off, discard those, we don't need it, and thinly slice those up. What I like to do is squeeze that into my water. And then continue slicing. Pop that in your water as well. Everything, seeds, skin, everything. So I'm just squeezing the rest of these. If you have a lemon squeezer, that's wonderful. Now I'm using my hands because I'm the only one drinking this. Alright. Now we're going to add our extra metabolism booster, our cayenne pepper. And we're going to be using a pinch. That's what it says, a pinch on this. Don't ask me how that's just a pinch, but that looks like a ½ teaspoon. Put a ½ teaspoon in there. And we're going to boil this for 10 minutes. Now it's already started boiling. Alright, but we're going to boil this down for 10 minutes. And let all of this wonderful flavoring from the seeds go in there. Flavoring from the fennel seeds, the cumming seeds. Everything. Alright, so I'm going to turn this on a medium simmer, because right now it's on high. And I'm going to let this continue to boil and get the flavoring from the lemons, alright, and the green tea. And I'll be back in 10 minutes. Okay, you guys. So now you're going to get your favorite mug, a nice enough mug to be able to hold it. Remember, this is almost 1 liter of water that we just finished boiling. And this is what it looks like, you guys. It looks delicious. Okay, and you're going to carefully strain your ingredient in there. Now what you can do now is either let it stand for a little bit. You could have let it steeped inside the pot of solution, which I didn't have time for in this video. But you let it cool down for at least 5 minutes. Only because now we want to sweeten it with our honey. And we don't want to damage the benefits of the honey and the natural enzymes that it has. So you allow your tea to cool. Then you're going to add in 1 teaspoon of honey. So we're just going to add in 1 teaspoon of our honey. And you mix that in. Now this weight loss is going to help boost your metabolism. It's going to help to shrink those fat cells in your body. It's going to have you going. It's more like a diuretic, but it will also clean your colon out. So if you got poop in your colon, it's going to definitely get rid of that. Lots of antioxidants, minerals, okay, which is a very crucial part for burning the fat. Okay, and it's also supporting your good health. This is a wonderful drink to make every morning. And you're going to have that burn from the cayenne, okay? That little spiciness, okay? So thank you so much. Try this drink, you guys. Try this drink. It is definitely a wonderful way for you to start slimming down. You're going to see a change in 15 days in your body, in your skin. It's going to become a little less tight, all right? You're going to see that it's not as firm as it was before. But this is wonderful. It's shrinking the fat cells in your body. It's going to help flush your kidneys out. So this is why you only drink this in the morning, unless you like to pee throughout the night, okay? But this is going to have you going to the bathroom quite often. Also, throughout the day, you eat healthy meals. Lean meats, salads, fruits, healthy nuts, you know, yogurts. These are the things that you eat when you're on this type of weight loss. You don't want to pack on the calories by eating these very heavy meals, okay? We're trying to slim down, and you'll see results in 15 days if you do this, all right? So thank you so much, you guys, for joining me on this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thumbs up this video if you want to see more of these detoxes, weight loss teas that's going to slim you down. You're going to see a difference. I'm telling you. You guys want to change in your body. You want to change your lifestyle. Well, this is the start, okay? If you want to be a benefit to this channel, I have links down below that you can donate whatever amount to this channel so that I can bring to you more quality videos, more content, all right? It will help this channel out so much. So any amount is appreciated, okay? It's not required, but it is appreciated, and it will help. And I appreciate your donations. And also, you guys, don't forget to come back, check out all my other videos that I have regarding weight loss. Incorporate this into your everyday. Listen, you're going to look good in no time. You're going to look better in no time. I have smoothie drinks. I have everything. So thank you again for stopping by, and I will see you in the next video.
Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button. And also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So, I'll see you in the next video.